Why is it so important for marketers? Building an email list is so important because not only does it help you to get a high conversion rate, but you can monetize it by pitching your new and existing products as well. In short, there is money in it. But how do you build your email list? That's the question you need to answer. It is not that simple because most of your visitors may never sign up unless you have some giveaways to draw them into putting their email addresses. Well, today, you can totally forget that. I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing WP Leads Machine. If you have good contents, WP Lead Machine will help you turn your posts into PDFs and require your visitors to send it to their email address. Imagine if you have hundreds of blog posts turning them into lead magnets. Awesome, right? Want to know more? Let's go read this review. Features. Front-end version. Features. Add unlimited lead magnets to unlimited posts. Automatically turn blog posts into PDF reports. Inline opt-in capture, right inside your blog post. 3 different styles of CTA options. Store all your leads inside your WP site. No autoresponder needed. Configure PDF appearance and settings. Email from name address content configurable. Auto apply to all pages or posts. Use the plugin on unlimited WordPress sites. OTO1 Pro version features. All the features of the front-end version plus. Add your logo and other settings to PDF. Add intro text and end text in PDF for call to action. CTA can be link or button or pop-up. Redirect user to any page after email capture. 10 different pop-up styles. Top 5 autoresponder integrations. Get daily, weekly, monthly reports for emails captured. Enable in one click across your entire site. Selectively disable for certain posts pages. Download WP Leads Machine now. How does it work? All of us are looking for training materials when using a product. Don't worry. Training and demo videos are provided. You can always refer to the website or watch them right here. Good points. You don't need to be a technical expert to use this software. This is user-friendly. You can turn your old and new posts into lead magnets. Responsive technical support. Bad points. You need to have fast internet connection. In case you are confused in setting up, you need to contact the help desk to fix the problem. Conclusion. If building an email list is so important, do not hesitate anymore. With WP Lead Machine, you can now build your huge email list on complete autopilot. You are one click away in building one. Get your copy of WP Leads Machine here.
Hi, good day. My name is Julio Vargas, and today I'm going to make this tutorial to tell you about WP Affiliate Machine, one paid plugin that I'm using in my website. This plugin is going to help you to get some affiliated programs. Take the links and make the promotion and get some money from the affiliation offers. For example, here I am sharing my screen, and you can see I have all of these posts and I have all of these affiliation offers approved and ready to make the promotion. Here in my website, in Facebook ads, Google ads, in Pinterest, everywhere that you can make the promotion and get some traffic and some money from these offers. You can see I have the approval for this offer. Only you have to click in get link, and you're going to copy the link. You're going to paste on your clipboard, and then when you make your funnel, you're going to share this link. You can use it bit.ly or tiny URL, and you're going to, or Google shortener, you're going to change this link. For example, this offer is $49.95 US, and going to pay me the 50% of the commission when I sell all these products. And I have all of these offer, and only you have to click in the affiliate approval. They're going to redirect you to JVZoo. Then you're going to request the approval in this box. Here you're going to read all of this. You're going to place. When you buy this plugin, you're going to give this script that you're going to copy and paste the JVZoo box. They're going to receive the approval in the next day or the next 3 days. You click in request approval. And you only have to wait 1 or 2 days. You're going to receive the email for JVZoo that said to you that you can use this offer and make the promotion. And here you see the other affiliation integration, other tools that you can use to promote this, and how you can use this plugin and one more plugin that I have in my website. For example, when you have already the approval of all of that software and plugins, you come into the lead machine. This is this plugin that is showing me how many impressions, how many click, how many leads. You can see it has a 626 impression to conversion. See, I'm getting 2 leads. Some people are clicking in all of that offer, and I am getting the leads, and I'm going to send some emails with my autoresponders using Aweaver or using GetResponse. I'm going to make a sequence here. I'm going to try to sell any of these plugins and software that I have already the approval for the promotion. How this plugin works. For example, we come into the settings. And here you're going to fill all of this. How you want to display the content, you can put in line, in call to action, in a pop-up. You're going to put this at the top or at the bottom of your post. You're going to make one script here saying thank you, your PDF is on the way, please share your emails, because this plugin going to convert the post that I have already in my website. I'm going to make one PDF. I'm going to send this PDF to my visitors. But after that, I'm going to start sending emails using my autoresponder to trying to send this offer and trying to sell this plugin for them. This is the PDF setting. I'm going to put this in that boxes. I'm going to save the chains. we're going to see how this look in the website now. That's it that this look like. For example, enter your email and you receive this post in PDF. This is the person put the email, press submit. I'm going to send this post in PDF. And that's it, that I'm going to get some leads, and they're going to start my autoresponder and start sending some emails with these offers, and many of the offers that I have in that website that I have the approval for make the promotion by JBSU, Clickbank, and Warrior Pros. And how affiliated machine works for me and can work for you if you buy this plugin for your website. For example, you come into post, all posts. We are going to check if I have the links in the description for all of that offer that I made the application, and they send me the affiliated link. This is one of my posts. For example, you want to check the links, and this is the link that JBSU gives me as affiliated marketer. And if the person click in my website and pay for this, I'm going to receive the 50% of the commission. But I can make some video and put this link in the description. Well, this is the sell page for the post that I have in my website. A person may click to redirect to this sell page. For example, this is a dance machine, and when the person click to buy the plugin, this is in 1995. The person click in buy now. My affiliated link for JBSU is here, as you can see, and I'm going to receive the 50% of the money of that plugin. And it has more upsells. I'm going to receive commission for that upsells too. And this is how affiliated machine and lead machine plugins are helping me in my WordPress website to get some money, to get more leads, to send emails with my autoresponders, and get more commission with other affiliation programs, offers, and plugins. And that's it for today. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. God bless you.